Welcome to SM Group, implementing architectural designs. SM Group consists of 5 establishments, namely Roshni Builders and Developers, Om Sai Construction, MB Construction, SM Developers, and Parveen Enterprises. Practical effectiveness of a design can be seen through its implementation. During actual construction on site, from architectural design, the skills of the workmen with highly experienced guides are important. Reputation of SM Group is the result of 35 years of experience in the field. As construction contractors, SM has bestowed quality construction to thousands of home seekers. The strength of SM Group is highlighted by extensive range of modern machines with skilled technicians. Here are a few examples. Maivan shuttering, cranes, concrete mixer, passenger hoist, multiple JCB lorry and dumpers, lift machines, batching plant, safety screens. SM Group has more than 450 to 500 staff and workers in various activities. Here are a few of our ongoing projects. Pushpanjali Residency is a sprawling residential project of 252,000 square feet created by Ram Developers. Excellently linked with upcoming metro project, it has 2 buildings of stilt plus 30 floors at Obala, Thane West. Shrishti Siddhi Complex at busy industrial location of Bhiwandi is an ongoing project in full swing. This is going to be the most sought after location and a landmark project for residential as well as commercial property. Regal Square, Bhiwandi is a project by Square Feet Infrastructure LLP. Regal Square is a huge project with 11 buildings of stilt plus 14 floors and 5 impressive towers. The project has an area of 440,000 square feet, where the towers have been completed. Grace Square is a 635,000 square feet mega residential project at Kausa, Mumbra from Shri Sumatinath Enterprises. With 12 buildings of ground plus 7 floors and 5 towers of stilt plus 18 floors. This is going to be an excellent locality for those who can be accommodated here. Medina Square is a compact and pleasant project at Mumbra village in Thane district, brought to you by MS Achievers Construction Company. 2 buildings of stilt plus 18 floors. The project area is around 150,000 square feet and ground plus 6 floor commercial around 40,000 square feet. Let us now take you to a sample flat at Grey Square to give you an idea of our construction excellence. Entering from the lobby, you have a spacious drawing dining hall, thoughtful kitchen, a master bedroom to relax, bedroom for kids, and a bathroom to freshen up. Here are the glimpses of a few of our completed projects. Soham Builders project of 3 towers, 15 floors at Hariom Nagar. Swastik Land Developers project of 10 buildings, G+7. Soham Builders project of 2 buildings, G+7, Parijat Garden. Soham Group projects 18 floors at Hariom Nagar, Mulund. Soham Group projects stilt plus 7 floors, Hariom Nagar, Mulund East. Basudev Builders 25 floors residential tower, Bhandup West. Omkar Developers project Kasarwadavli, Thane West. Square Feet Homes Project at Anand Nagar, Thane. Caroline Construction Project, the Tani Construction 8 plus floors commercial building. With a well-experienced staff to manage various sites, SM Group has an impressive office with modern facilities. We are also in the field as builders and developers and have earned a name for us within a short span of time.
एशियन ग्रुप अपना एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फॉर्म है। आज की तारीख में हमारे पास 10-12 लाख फुट काम चालू है मार्केट में और बेस्ट से बेस्ट काम करने की कोशिश करते हैं। हमारे पास सब इक्विपमेंट है, लिफ्ट है, मिक्सर है, टावर क्रेन है, टीसीपी है, पोकलान है और हमारा टावर्स चालू है। 25-25 माला का, 30 माला का सब टावर चालू है। घोड़बंदर रोड पे चालू है और भिवंडी चालू है। मुमरा में बड़ा बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट चालू है। थाना सिटी में चालू है।